Hello viewers, in today's video I am going to make two hem decor crafts out of cardboard. I am super excited to share the ideas. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without any further delay, let's move to our first DIY photo frame. For this DIY, basically we need waste cardboard, glue drop, small wooden clips, black tape and artificial flowers. First we will cut the cardboard in the shape of the frame. We do not need the back part of the frame. First I am covering it with the normal tape to make it smooth. After that I covered it with black tape. If you want, you can cover it with craft paper also. Tie the jute rope at the one end of the frame and wrap it around the frame as I am doing. And secure it at the end point. Now paste the flower as per your choice. This frame is really very easy and looks very beautiful. After pasting the flowers with the help of wooden clips, you can clip the photos of your choice. You can use it as a decor piece or you may gift it also. This is a coat frame, again made out of waste cardboard. I have covered it with the black tape like the first DIY. But for this DIY we need the back part of the frame also. For this decor I am using handmade flowers, but if you want you can use ready-made one. Though the flowers are very easy to make and adds personal touch to the DIY. And I have told you already that I am in love with flowers, and that's why you will find flowers in each one of my DIYs. Now we will write the quote. If you want, you can take printout of any quote you like. For the first time I am using brush pens and I like them a lot. I will give the link in the description below. I have used cellophane to cover the quote. It's totally optional. Arrange the flowers as you like and our vibrant coat frame is ready. These kind of coats really inspires us. I love this DIY a lot. I hope you would like both the DIYs. Please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful DIYs. Till then, bye bye. Take care.